Welcome back to the Best Reviews channel, your go-to source for the latest tech, tools, and cutting-edge innovations. Today, we're taking a look at 5 advanced handheld 3D scanners designed for creators, engineers, designers, and professionals who demand precision and flexibility. Let's get started. Number 5. The Einstar Vega. This all-in-one wireless handheld 3D scanner is designed for maximum portability and convenience. It features a built-in 6.4-inch 2K AMOLED touchscreen, an internal 8-core processor, 32 GB of RAM, and 512 GB of storage, allowing completely standalone scanning without a connected PC. The scanner uses a dual light system with VCSEL technology for large objects and MEMS technology for detailed close-range work. It also includes a 48-megapixel RGB camera for high-quality color textures and supports multiple tracking modes, including feature, texture, and marker-based alignment. With support for STL, OBJ, PLY, and ASC file exports, it's built for everything from collectibles and digital art to reverse engineering. Number 4. The EINSTAR Rockit. This compact wireless hybrid scanner combines high-speed infrared scanning with detailed blue laser scanning for professional-level versatility. Its Laser HD mode uses crossed blue laser lines for precise geometry capture, while IR Rapid mode is optimized for larger objects and fast scanning sessions. It can capture up to 2.8 million points per second and offers a wide working distance from 100 to 600 millimeters. The Rockit also supports texture, marker, feature, and hybrid tracking modes, making it suitable for mechanical parts, sculptures, automotive components, and complex surfaces. A built-in 5-megapixel color camera helps generate realistic textures for full-color scans. Number 3. The Revopoint MetroX Pro. This industrial-grade scanner focuses heavily on precision and detailed geometry capture. Using a hybrid light system with structured light and blue laser technology, it delivers single-frame precision down to 0.01 millimeters and volumetric accuracy designed for professional metrology workflows. It scans at speeds up to 7 million points per second in structured light mode and performs especially well on dark, reflective, or featureless surfaces. Compact and lightweight, the MetroX Pro is built for reverse engineering, quality control, automotive parts, and manufacturing applications where accuracy is critical. Number 2. The Creality Raptor Pro. This high-end handheld scanner combines blue laser scanning with near-infrared structured light to handle both intricate parts and large objects efficiently. In blue laser mode, it reaches accuracy levels up to 0.02 millimeters while capturing clean edges and detailed geometry. Its NIR mode supports wide area scanning with a large field of view, making it suitable for vehicles, industrial assemblies, and even body scanning. The scanner operates at up to 60 frames per second and is engineered for demanding workflows such as product design, reverse engineering, and industrial prototyping. Number 1. The Creality Sermoon S1. This professional metrology-grade scanner is built for advanced engineering and industrial environments. It features multiple scanning modes, including single-line, 7-line, and 34-line blue laser configurations, along with NIR structured light for broader scanning tasks. With accuracy reaching up to 0.02 millimeters and data acquisition speeds up to 4.6 million measurements per second, it's optimized for high-detail industrial workflows. The Sermoon S1 can scan reflective metals, black surfaces, and complex geometries even under intense outdoor lighting conditions up to 100,000 lux. Combined with AI mesh optimization and internal temperature stabilization, it's designed for highly demanding professional applications. Thanks for watching Best Reviews. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech reviews and product showcases. Drop a comment below and let us know which 3D scanner impressed you the most. See you in the next video.